Hello everybody, welcome back. So for anybody who saw my short video and is wondering how to make a two-way switch for the drawbridge, I'll show you that in just 2 seconds. Another application for the two-way switch is it's not as important, but it's basically just for more of a, how would you say it, I suppose a comfort feature really. If I have a light in here in this horrible shocking house, sorry I only built it for demonstration purposes. If I'm inside and I put this light here, but usually I mean like if I had lights outside on my land, say, I think you'd always want the lights in your house on. So if I wanted to turn off this switch as I'm leaving, I just flick this and I leave. Simple, right? But if I wanted to turn that back on without having to go inside to make sure no mobs spawn or anything, I can flick this switch. Usually you can't do that because what would happen is if I have this switch turned on or off, sending a redstone signal or not, it doesn't matter whether I flick this switch or not. Whichever one is on the on state, I believe, is the one that should hold control. But with an XOR gate, that's not the case. So a more useful way I found, I basically think a more useful way of doing this and using this technique of the XOR gate would be something like this. So they say this is the entrance to my base. Say that's the inside and this is the outside. I'm outside, the moat is open, it's hard for me to get through, the drawbridge is not open. I click, the drawbridge closes, I walk through, I flip this switch on the inside of my base and the drawbridge is open. So I'm on the inside, the drawbridge is open, and monsters or whatever I'm trying to protect myself from cannot get through now. But the way you want to do this is with a thing, like I said, called an XOR gate. So an XOR gate with its most basic components is basically this. And that's it, nothing else. So what you want is a block, a redstone torch, and then you want another block and a redstone torch, and another one again, and then you want to connect the back to the side of the original one, and the same on the other side, and then you want to connect the front of these two torches together, and then you want to connect the middle to the back. And basically what you need to do then is your output is this side, so basically on the side of the two redstone torches, which is down here in this hole, which goes to these pistons, and your inputs are on this side. It doesn't matter what side you put it on. So for example, I just have this switch inputting on this side, and I have this switch inputting on that side. So like I could technically make the inside switch the left side or whatever. It depends on you, but you do have to have one input on one side and one on the other. But other than that, that's basically all you need to know. I've been trying to think of some interesting applications for this, but like I said, I can't think of any right now, other than the fact that using it for outside lights or using it for defenses. You can use it for a lot of things. You could use it for automatic farms if you wanted to be able to turn it off. If you wanted to switch in your room to turn off your automatic farm, if you wanted to switch down at the automatic farm to turn it on, you could do it like that. It's just more up to yourself and how much time you're willing to put in. So thank you very much for watching, guys. I hope you have a great day. And the last thing I suppose I'd say is just the switches, if you want them further away, all you need to do is just make sure you add redstone repeaters just to extend the signal so it will reach the input over here. So if you enjoyed, please drop a like, and thank you very much for watching, and subscribe, and I'll make another video soon.